Hello everyone, Namaskar, Raj Krishna this side. Let's solve this log equation. So we have root x power log x base 5 minus 1 equals to 5. So first step, we have to simplify it anyway. So root x we can write as x power half. So this can be written as now as log x base 5 minus 1. That half if you multiply with this can be written something like this equals to 5. Now, if I take log to the base 5 on both sides in this particular step, then what will happen? Let's see. Because I already have base 5, so I'm thinking that if I take base 5, log base 5 on both sides, so you will have log x to the base 5, and the power of x is log x base 5 minus 1 divided by 2. On the right hand side also you have to do the same thing. Now right hand side is simplified now because log a to the base a is 1. Fine. So and here this entire thing is in power, so power comes out in log, that you know. If you have log x power n to the base a, n comes to front and you get something like this. So now I can write this as log x to the base 5 minus 1 divided by 2, and this is multiplied by log x base 5 equals to 1. Fine. Okay. Now as we can see, I can take this 2 to the other side. And now for some time if I take log x base 5 as t, so this will become t minus 1 times t equals to 2, or t square minus t minus 2 equals to 0. If I were to solve this, t square minus 2t plus t minus 2 equals to 0. If I take t common, t minus 2 equals to 0. So this is t minus 2, t plus 1 equals to 0. So you are getting t as 2 or minus 1. These are the two values which you are getting. So again these are to be equated with log x base 5 because you have taken that as t. So log x base 5 is 2, so x is 5 power 2, which is 25, because you know if you have log x to the base a equals to k, x can be written as a power k. A goes to the base of k. We have done the same thing. And if you equate log x base 5 to minus 1, then x will be 5 power minus 1, which is 1 by 5. But these are not enough. You always have to check this value by putting it in the equation which you already have. You have got two values, 1 by 25 and 1 by 5 and 25. Whenever you have an expression of log x to the base a equals to k, check whether x is positive, your base is positive, at the same time it can't be 1. So for 25 it is fine. For 25 it is fine because that will generate 5 power 25 base 5, perfectly fine, no problem with that. And for 1 by 5 if you put, so in place of x you will get 1 by 5. That is also fine, that is also a positive thing, no problem with that. Okay. So both the values are good enough. So x equals to 1 by 5 and 25. Both the values are fine for your answer. So this is what we did today. We'll see you with some more equations. Till then, you can watch out the playlist, which is logarithmic equation. Thanks again.